Hi, hello, ExcellentSlides here. We create excellent presentations. Before the video starts, please subscribe our channel and like this video. Alright, in this tutorial I will teach you how to use dictate feature in PowerPoint. Alright, so if you have your PowerPoint opened, you have to go to the home section, and here at the right you have this microphone icon called dictate. So that's this feature, but first of all you need to create any shape. So go to insert, any shape, I mean any text box. Now choose text box and just draw your text box. Alright, and now if I select this text box, as you can see here you have this arrow, so if you click it you can choose language that you want to talk. In my situation it will be English, United Kingdom. So if you want to start dictating you have to click this icon, so let's preview that, okay? Welcome to ExcellentSlides channel. And now, if you would like to end dictating, just press this icon once again. Yeah, so as you can see, this dictating feature is quite good, it's quite accurate, but if it is useful, I think no. You know, in my over 4 years of experience I have never used this option, but who knows, maybe you will like this feature and you will use this feature again and again. So that was everything and all in this about this topic. Please consider subscribing our valuable channel about presentation design, PowerPoint and stage performance. Like this video if you think this is worth for you and you find out something new, something more. Have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.